Upway.co is a website that takes e-bikes, refurbishes them to like new condition, and then sells them. So if you want to buy a bike or if you want to sell your e-bike, this is where you go. So I went through their building from end to end. So this is where the used bikes come in. So if you were to send them your bike, it would end up here, and then they would safety inspect it, refurbish it, and make it good as new. They check the battery to make sure the battery works properly. They put new tires on it, new brakes. Here's their workstations where they do all of that. I'll put a link in the description to exactly what they do to the bike. They say they make them like new. So check that link and it'll tell you exactly what. I can definitely see they've got a ton of parts for any type of e-bike. And you can go on their website if you have a bike to sell, and they'll give you a quote on how to sell it. They'll ship it for free to themselves and then put it on sale. Or if you want to buy a bike, they have that too, by appointment only. So they have this showroom in Redondo Beach, California. These bikes are almost ready to go into the showroom as part of the process. This is where the Upway team does all of their hard work, marketing and running the website and everything. And then they've got this sexy photo booth. So when your bike comes in here, they clean it up, they shine it, make it look like new, replace parts in it, and then they send it into the photo booth, put it on here. So the pictures you see of the bikes on there, if you're thinking of buying one, are actual pictures of the actual bike you will be getting. And then if we proceed into the showroom, going past all of these bikes that are just about ready to be processed, we go in here, and by appointment only, if you are in the Redondo Beach, California area, which is in the Los Angeles area, and you want to buy a bike, you do have to make an appointment with them to come in and see a particular bike. But if you go on the website, they will let you come in, check it out, test ride it around their parking lot, and just make absolutely sure that you've made the right decision. So I think that's way better than just buying it online. If you're here, they also have a showroom in New York where they can do the same thing. If you're anywhere else in between the country, I'm sorry, but you'll just have to buy it mail order. And in addition to the used bikes, they also do sometimes get lots of new bikes like this at a discount that they pass on to you. So these Gazelles are here, and they are a brand new bike at a great discount. Let's take a look at the price here and the prices of some of the refurbished bikes that I saw that day as well. So for a Gazelle bike, if you were interested, it would be $1,499 with free shipping. And let's take a look at one of my favorites that I found here. I actually rode to this thing on a 10-Ways bike, on a version of this bike. That's the original 10-Ways CGO 600 Pro, which weighs 33 pounds and has a belt drive. And they're selling it for $749. Are you out of your mind? That's half price. How about a full suspension mountain bike? I've never heard of this brand called Bulls, but it's spec'd out with Suntour components on it. It looks pretty decent. It's got hydraulic disc brakes on it, air shock on the back there, Suntour. So mountain bike with full suspension and electric boost is $2,099. And let's say you want to buy a mountain bike that you've heard of. Well, how about this top of the line Cannondale carbon fiber best of everything bike? How much would you pay for that? $37.99 for the best of the best. And then what about your humble Rad Runner if you wanted to get the cheapest Rad Runner that they have? The cheapest Rad Runner they have for sale right now is $1,149. And if you want a Super 73, because whose kid doesn't want one of those? The legendary Super 73, cheapest full suspension model here is $1,699, less than half price. So you get the idea. They have all kinds of bikes, literally, figuratively, all the big brands you've heard of. They don't buy crappy brands that are sketchy. They do have some standards as far as which ones they will and will not sell. But if you wander around the showroom here, you can see there is something for everybody, and it really is worthwhile getting online, checking out what they have to offer. It's best if you can make an appointment and come down and check it out. I think that's what I would do if I were in the market for an e-bike. But if you're not, they will ship it to you for free, so you don't have to worry about shipping charges when you buy. And if you have a bike to sell, you can go to their estimator and figure out how much they'll give you for it. And as a bonus, they are located right next to the train station in Redondo Beach. So you could take the Metro Rail here and then ride your bike onto the train and take it home. You don't even need to bring your car down. That's upway.co, and there is a link in the description to all the details. Thanks for watching.